They say time heals all wounds, but they don't mention the scars. The nights when silence screams louder than anything, or the days when getting out of bed feels impossible. You've carried pain that's etched into your bones, and yet, you're still standing. That's not weakness. That's strength. People may look at you and think they know your story, but your strength isn't for them to understand. It's for you. You've walked through hell with your head high. Nothing makes you more powerful than that. There were moments you didn't know if you'd breathe freely again. When betrayal felt like a blade twisting inside, when silence wasn't peace, but punishment. But every breath you took was defiance. Every step forward, rebellion. Every time you chose not to give up, you made a statement louder than any scream. You don't need validation for your scars. They're blueprints of survival. While others pretended, you endured. While they ran from the fire, you walked through it and came out stronger. You've learned that the world won't always be fair, but instead of becoming bitter, you became better. You've outgrown the spaces that tried to cage you. You don't chase love. You reflect it. You don't explain your worth. You embody it. So if today feels heavy, remember, you've been here before and you didn't fall. You built wings and you're unstoppable. Your scars aren't signs of weakness. They're proof you fought and won.